In this lecture, we're going to look at a tool assembly visualization. This tool provides different ways to display and sort an assembly's components in a list and in the graphic area. So you can sort the list by one property at a time, or you can create more complex sorting scenarios involving several different properties. So we can go to evaluate, and here we have assembly visualization. Let's click on it, and now here we have our three parts. If we click on this, toggle color on off, we now see our part in color, and we have here the mass. So tools that are available are mass, density, volume, etc. So we have here part 1 quantity 2, part 2 4, part 3 4. We can also click here. We can go with grouped or ungrouped view. And now we see our parts with quantity 1, and we can see the mass from the heaviest part to the last heaviest part. As well, we have here show height value bars. So as we can see, this is value bar for the mass. We can change our property by clicking here. We can go to volume. And now we have volume. We can also go to density. Now we have density. And we can insert some other property by clicking here on more. And here we can select. We can go with sustainability, energy, carbon, water, surface area, and so on. So now as you see, SOLIDWORKS applies colors to the component based on the value of the property you are sorting by. If we go to mass, now we see the heaviest red one to the least heaviest blue one, this one. As well, you can save the list information in a separate file with save as, for instance to Excel, text, PDF, and so on. So we can save on the desktop in the Excel file, save, and we can see here the file name, quantity, and mass. And this is really useful tool just to gather some different information about your assembly.